It's raining again. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank from Bangin Gears. Just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what's going on the next couple of weeks. Currently, I am in Ocean City, Maryland for Delmarva Bike Week / Ocean City Bike Fest. There's actually two events happening in the same town, the same week, at the same time.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
They don't start till Thursday, and it is currently Saturday. So we got like 4 days before it even starts. Bad news is, Hurricane Florence is in town.
Tropical Storm Florence.
Tropical Storm Florence.
Tropical Storm Florence.
Florence.
I hope everybody stays safe, but it's going to totally screw Bike Week. So the next couple of videos, you're going to see some people that you may not have seen in my videos before, all my biker friends. So we all come down to my condo in Ocean City and we hang out for the week, we chill, we party. So with the weather though, I don't know what you're going to see. What's going to happen. I know there's some activities we normally do when we're down here. I wanted to shoot and film, and also do bikes and the shows and the events and the restaurants and the parties and the after parties and then the after parties and the drunk bus. Whole bunch of other stuff, but I don't know how much of that is going to actually take place because of the rain. I don't think there's going to be a lot of people down here. I think this bike week is going to suck. We're going to try to have as much fun as we possibly can while getting wet and cold and rainy. Yeah. And then I go home, and on September 23rd is the NRA's Car and Truck Show in the headquarters in Fairfax, Virginia. I'll put that link also somewhere. It was cool. They actually contacted me and asked me if I would shoot the event for them. I was happy to do so. So it's going to be a great event. So keep your eye out for that video. Then the weekend after that, I come back to Ocean City. Hopefully it's not raining for Endless Summer the first week of October. My cousins are coming down again from New York. My dad's coming up from Florida, and he probably still will not be driving with me in my car because he hates it. Has a hard time getting in and out.
You see that guy right there? That's my dad. I told you he wasn't gonna ride with me.
So everybody else is saying summer's over and their seasons are done. I feel like I'm right in the middle of mine. I should be able to squeeze a couple of videos out of this wet bike week. I have the NRA show as soon as I get back, and then we come back down here to Ocean City for the Endless Summer, and if the weather's good for that, I should be able to get 5 or 6 videos out of that. So there's a lot more to come, so you need to stick around and stay tuned. But for right now, this video is over, and with that, we'll catch you next time on Bangin Gears.
And we are expecting this to strengthen into a major Category 3 hurricane as it moves south of Bermuda on Tuesday. Looking ahead to what's going on the East Coast. Unfortunately, models are still not in good agreement in terms of where this is going to go past about 36 hours. We see some taking a much more easterly track, moving out to sea, and we see others that could actually bring significant impacts to areas of the East Coast from the Carolinas northward.